first thing coming to the kit is when you think of going into the wilderness all alone, you think how come you'll have so many things to actually live properly in the forest. But the kits provided by Indiahikes was very compact and it was very easy to carry in a bag or two, along with our regular things too. So in terms of the kits that they had provided, it was very nice. With regards to the food again was something that we didn't really expect that could be cooked. We had a question of how would we have food in the wilderness again, but they had amazing food setup. They had amazing food designed for the trek. Any person who wants to check what their limit is, any person who wants to face all of their possible fears, go for DIY, because you never know what is coming up in DIY. You never know, right? Because the forest doesn't behave as you want to, it behaves just as it is. So that is the very first thing. And the next thing is you learn a lot of life-saving techniques in forest. That is, you get trained by the Indiahikes team before getting into a DIY camp too. So I think this for the future trekkers, anybody who wants to cross their limits, anybody who wants to like check how their boundaries go about, and anybody who wants to explore wilderness in a very raw manner, I think it's all